Hey, what's up YouTube? How's it going? Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate that. If you have not done so, go down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button on this video. That helps me out a lot. It's been a little while since I've done this kind of video, but I have another microphone review for you guys. Let's go ahead and, as usual, we'll do a quick unboxing followed by a review. The brand of the microphone is Bonaok. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but yeah, this is a karaoke microphone. This is the first time I've ever reviewed one of their microphones, so I'm pretty excited. Alright guys, so here's the box. It says it is the ultimate karaoke microphone, so I guess we'll try it out and find out how good this microphone is today. And you could get this microphone on Amazon. It goes for $29.99. If you guys are interested, I'll have this linked down in the description below, and it looks like you could order it in a bunch of different colors. I got the black one, or at least it should be the black one in this box. Yeah, it comes in, like, as you can see, like a bunch of different colors, which is kind of cool. They also have like a gold one, like a rose gold one, and like a gold one. I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So guys, this is really interesting. I really wasn't sure what to expect when I opened up that box, but it is really cool that it actually comes in this case. It's pretty durable. As you can see, there's a bunch of controls on the microphone, and it was funny because I was thinking, oh, how do you connect this to a speaker, because I did not see a receiver in here or anything. And then I turned this around, and it looks like on the back of the microphone is an actual speaker. So I'm going to have to figure out how to use this. Apart from this, it also came with these. I forgot what these are called, but I think they go over the microphone to act as like a pop filter kind of thing. And then it also came with this. I'm guessing this is a charger, and it looks like it also has a auxiliary cable. And then this is like a coupon for 20% off your next purchase. And then, of course, the user manual. Alright guys, so I took a quick look at the instructions, and it looks like you have to connect the microphone with your cell phone via Bluetooth. I have the microphone over here charging right now, so as soon as I feel like it's charged enough, we'll go ahead and give it a try. It does recommend downloading a specific karaoke app for your phone. I wasn't able to find the one they recommended. I found another one. I messed around with it a little bit, but I think what I'm going to try to do, if I'm able to do so, is I'm just going to pull up karaoke songs on YouTube. That's what I usually do. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Nice, made a little noise when you turn it on. Alright, let's see if I could connect it with my phone. So I'm turning on, okay, Bluetooth is on. It says that it should come up as Q37. It's coming up right here, so I'm just going to click on that. Okay, looks like it did something. Allow contacts and favorites sync. What? No? I don't know why my phone said that. Alright, so it says it's connected now. Alright guys, so the mic's on. Check. Whoa, cool. Alright, so there's different switches on the microphone. So there's a switch that controls the volume of your voice. The next switch affects how much echo the mic is creating. And then the last switch is for the volume of the music that comes through the speaker. Let's go ahead and see how it sounds real quick. So first one, we'll do the volume. Check. Okay, there we go. Let's try the echo. Check. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Alright, and then the last one is for the music. Check. Whoa. So there's also a mode button, a previous button, pause play button, and a next button. And with YouTube, it looks like the pause and play works. But that seems to be the only button that works with just YouTube. The mode button is supposed to switch between Bluetooth and the SD card. So I'm guessing that you could probably also load songs onto an SD card. I haven't tried that, so I'm not sure exactly how that works. Alright guys, so I guess it would be a good idea now to do a demonstration of this microphone. So I went ahead and pulled up a karaoke song on YouTube. It's a Taking Back Sunday song, A Decade Under the Influence, and I'm just gonna sing like a verse or something. You guys could kind of see how it sounds. Check. Sad small sweet
kit. We used to be this dying breed. I got a bad feeling about this. I got a bad feeling about this. He kept still until the long drive home. He slept safe and close to the window. I've got a bad feeling about this. I got a bad feeling. Who's to say it out here?
Alright guys, so now we did a little demo. You guys kind of have an idea of how this thing works. In the instructions, it did say that it has a part that says how to record. And it says that you connect the audio cable. So I guess what it means is like you plug this cable right here into the microphone and then the other end into your cell phone, and then it's saying use a recording app like Apple Music and follow the using process, start recording. I didn't know I don't know if Apple Music actually has a recording thing. Like, I don't actually think it does. So I'm a little confused by what that means. If there is a way to record with Apple Music, leave a comment down in the comments below. I think this is like a really cool idea if you're just hanging out with some friends, like at like your house or like your friend's house or something, and like you guys want to do karaoke just like a group of your friends. Like, this is a pretty cool way to do it. Has a built-in speaker. You don't need any extra equipment besides your cell phone. I think that's really cool. And I'm looking at the Amazon page right now. It looks like it comes with free shipping. It's $30. Everything, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's like, and you could bring this over to like people's houses and stuff. It comes in a case. It's very practical. It's very practical. I like that. One thing that I would want to see on this microphone is I would like there to be a way that you could make the output of this microphone like another speaker, just in case you're somebody that has a speaker. Like, if you have a speaker at your house, I would like there to be a way that you could use that speaker. I think that would be really cool. I did notice that it does have a headphone jack on the bottom, so you could like listen to yourself through headphones. And there's also a slot right here. It looks like it's for it looks like it might be for a memory card or something. So all around, guys, I think it's a pretty cool mic. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you think this is a cool idea? Would you buy this? I think it is a pretty cool idea. I forgot to mention this, I also like the fact that you charge it. You don't have to buy batteries for it. That's pretty cool. So guys, that's gonna be just about it for today. Let me know what you guys think about the microphone down in the comments below. I think it's super cool to have an all-in-one kind of portable like microphone that you could use. Like, you don't need any extra equipment besides your cell phone. I think that's super cool. It comes in a bunch of different colors. It's $30, free shipping on Amazon. Once again, I'll put the link to this microphone down in the description below in case you want to check it out. And yeah, that's gonna be just about it for this review. If you like this video, feel free to give this video a like. That helps me out a lot. And if you have not done so yet, I encourage you to go check out my channel. And if you like what you see there, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.